Bonjour mes amis et bienvenue sur notre chaîne frenchinlucknow.com. Hello my friends and welcome to our channel frenchinlucknow.com. Je m'appelle Amit, my name is Amit et aujourd'hui and today on va parler des verbes irréguliers and today we are going to talk about the verbs irregular. On a déjà parlé de verbes réguliers dans le dernier vidéo. In the last video, we have already talked about the regular verbs. Please do watch it. Now, we are going to start. On va commencer avec le verbe être. Le premier et très important verbe être. So, the conjugation of être verbs are here on your screen. Sur votre écran, vous pouvez voir ici le verbe être. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il, he or it. Il means he or it. Elle, she or it. On, we. Singular we, addressing yourself only. On est. Nous sommes. We are. We all are. Vous êtes. You all are. Ils sont. They are masculine group or mixed group. Elles sont. Feminine group. Then avoir, to have. J'ai, I have. Tu as, you have. Il a, elle a, on a. He has, she has, it has, we have. Nous avons, we all have. Vous avez, you all have. Ils ont, elles ont. This was sont and this is zont. Aller verb to go. Je vais, I go, I am going. Now présent, French present tense refers to two English tenses, that is simple present and present continuous tense. I have discussed this in the last class also. Simple present meaning from here will come. The meaning of this is to go. So I go, and present continuous meaning will come. I am going. I go, I am going will come from the same sentence. Je vais. Je vais à l'école. I'm going to the school. I go to the school. I am going to the school. Then tu vas. Il va. Elle va. On va. Nous allons. Vous allez. Ils vont, elles vont. Vouloir, to want. Pouvoir, to be able to or can. Je veux, tu veux. Il, elle, on veut. Nous voulons, vous voulez. Ils, elles veulent. Pouvoir, je peux, tu peux. Ils, elles, on peut. Nous pouvons, vous pouvez. Ils peuvent, elles peuvent. So, here, faire gives the meaning of to do and to make. It is also used in multiple senses, multiple expressions, but here we are doing the normal conjugation. So when we say je fais, so it has four meanings. I do, I am doing. I make, I am making. Je fais, tu fais, il, elle, on fait. Nous faisons, vous faites. Ils font, elles font. Mettre, so faire means to make or to do. Mettre means to put. Voir means to see. Jamais, tu mets, il, elle, on met, nous mettons, vous mettez, il, elle, mettent. Now, mettre, similar manner, promettre and permettre. These two verbs are conjugated in the same manner like permettre. So you just put per everywhere. If it is promettre, to promise, permettre means to permit. So the conjugation will change to this. So we cut here re, we also cut t. This is the root, met, met, and the endings are These TS, TS, T, no, TS, TS here. Endings are, so this is the root, MET, S, S, nothing, TONS, TEZ, TENT. These are the endings. Similar manner, prometh and permeth will do. Voir, OIR ending. Je vois, tu vois, I see, I am seeing. You see, you are seeing. Il, elle, on voit. Nous voyons, vous voyez, il, elle voit. This will be silent. Another verb, dire, IR ending verbs. Here, so we cut RE and write down the root. D. This is the root. And endings are SST, SONS, TES, SENT. They are here, from here it is different. Je dis, tu dis, il, elle, on dit, nous disons, vous dites, il, elle disent. It means say. So when we say je dis, it means I say, I'm saying. Lire, to read. Je lis, tu lis, il, elle, on lit, nous lisons, vous lisez, il, elle lise. So when I say je lis, it means I read, I am reading. Écrire. Now this is little different because here we comes. J'écris, tu écris, il, elle, on écrit, nous écrivons, vous écrivez, ils écrivent, elles écrivent. I write, I am writing, you write, you are writing. Vanich verb and tanich verb, they both are same kind of verbs. So vanich means to come. Revenir, come back. Similar like this, devenir, to guess, to become. Tanich also gives many sense. Je viens, tu viens, il, elle, on vient, nous venons, vous venez, il, elle viennent. This is completely different kind of verb. I come, I am coming. Je tiens, tu tiens, il, elle, on tient, nous tenons, vous tenez, il, elles tiennent. Yeah. Then here, these two very important verbs which both of them means to know. Connaître means to know something, some person or some animal, thing, person, animal means something, some noun to know. And savoir means some knowledge to know like how to do something. So usually if after fill in the blank, if it is a noun given, which will be mentioned with the article, so you use connaître verb, otherwise go for savoir verb. Je sais, tu sais, il, elle sait, nous savons, vous savez, ils, elles savent. Je connais, tu connais, il, elle connaît, nous connaissons, vous connaissez, ils, elles connaissent. Meaning will be obvious. I know, I am knowing. You know, you are knowing. Like that. Then here comes a very important segment, pronominal verbs. Now, pronominal verbs are those verbs where the actor is acting on himself, herself, itself. This is a distinct feature of French verbs. You will not get the literal meaning in English. Okay, if we say so it's like I am brushing my teeth myself, I am bathing myself, and sleeping, going to bed myself, waking up myself, but we don't say like that in English. Okay, so the distinct feature of these verbs that you will see this sir or as apostrophe. Of course, as apostrophe always comes when the next word is starting with a vowel. So here, amuse, this it is starting with a vowel. H is a semi-vowel. That's why we are putting S apostrophe. They both SE and S apostrophe, they both are same thing, which means oneself. This sa converts into with ja, it becomes this sa becomes or this s apostrophe becomes with ja it becomes ma or m apostrophe. Apostrophe, you know, when the verb is starting with a vowel. With you it becomes the or t apostrophe. With il L, O, it becomes sa or s apostrophe. With nu, it becomes another nu. With vu, it becomes another vu. And with L, it becomes sa or s apostrophe. Now, what is this ma, ta, sa, nu, vu, sa thing? It means myself. The second one, it means yourself. This means himself, herself, itself. Nu means ourselves. Vu means yourselves. And sa means themselves. As you can see in this conjugation, sa ravaiye, which means to get up oneself, this sa becomes ma, myself, ta, sa, nu, vu, sa. Because the verb is starting with a consonant, that's why we are not putting m apostrophe, t apostrophe, s apostrophe. Je me I get up myself. Se réveiller, because since it is a normal er ending verb, so we are cutting this er and we are putting es, ons, ez, ent normal conjugation. Only this thing is different, which is coming over here. These are called reflexive pronouns, which are giving the reflection of the doer. So, je me réveille, tu te réveilles, elles, on se réveille, nous nous réveillons, vous vous réveillez, elles se réveillent. I get up myself, you get up yourself, he gets up himself, she gets up herself, we get up ourselves. We all get up ourselves, you all get up yourselves, and they all get up themselves. If the verb is starting with a vowel, then M apostrophe, T apostrophe, S apostrophe, nous, vous, and S apostrophe. Je m'appelle, I call myself. Tu t'appelles. Now this appeler verb again, this L is coming second time, except its nous form and vous form, where L is not being repeated. These are the subcategories of ER ending verb. In the next video, we will discuss that also, subcategories of the different verb. But here, these are the some important verbs which you should know. Okay, it will help you out in understanding the patterns of other irregular verbs. We'll come again with the information like this. Se tu pula class to should we eo qua abianto. Maxi beaucoup.